am Sneha, studying first MCom from Tyagaraja College. My topic is contemporary accounting method. There are three accounting methods. They are cash basis accounting, accrual accounting, and hybrid accounting. Let us see what is cash basis accounting. So, cash basis accounting recognizes revenues and expenses at the time cash is received or paid out. This method is controversial to accrual accounting method. When transactions are recorded on cash basis, it affects the company's book upon exchange of consideration. So, this method is less accurate than the accrual accounting method. So, as the Tax Reform Act of 1986 prohibits this type of accounting for certain trusts and corporations. What are all the advantages of cash basis accounting? It is simpler and less expensive than the accrual accounting method, and this method is more suitable to small scale owners and individual contractors. This method gives an accurate picture of how much cash is on hand at present of the business. Disadvantages of cash basis accounting: there is one and only disadvantage in the cash basis accounting is this method will not be able to show the accurate growth of the business. Let me give an example for cash basis accounting method. When a contract company secures a major contract but only receive their incomes on the completion of the project. Using cash basis accounting, the company is only able to recognize the revenue upon project completion, which is when cash is received. However, during the project, it records the project's expenses as they are being paid. If the project's time span is greater than 1 year, the company's income statements will appear misleading as they show the company incurring large losses 1 year followed by great gains the next. தட் இஸ் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா, இப்போது ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் கம்பெனி இருக்குது அப்படின்னா, அவங்க ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்டை சைன் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா அவங்களோட இன்கம்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் முடியும் போது தான் தெரியும். ஆனால் அந்த ப்ராஜெக்டை அவங்க வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுற வரைக்கும் அதில் நடக்கிற எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் எல்லாமே அவங்க வந்து ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ இப்போ ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்டோட லைஃப் ஸ்பேன் வந்து ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு மேலே இருக்குது அப்படின்னா, நம்மளோட கம்பெனியோட இன்கம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டோ இல்லை பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட்டோ பார்க்கும்போது, ஃபினான்ஷியல் பொசிஷனை பார்க்கும்போது அது என்ன காட்டும்னா நிறைய எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் இருக்கிற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். பிகாஸ் ஒரு கான்ட்ராக்ட் முடியும் போது தான் அதோட இன்கம் வந்து நமக்கு வெளிவரும். ஸோ இந்த கேஷ் பேசிஸ் அக்கௌண்டிங்கில் வெளிவரும். அப்போ வந்து இன்கம் வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் தான் அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் முடிஞ்சிட்டு காட்டுது அப்படின்னா, இந்த வருஷம் ஃபுல்லாக அது எக்ஸ்பென்சஸை காட்டும் போது அது லாஸஸ் அமையும். ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து கேஷ் பேசிஸ் அக்கௌண்டிங்கில் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள். Next accounting method is accrual accounting. This is the concept where that accounting journal entries are made when a good or service is provided rather than when the payment is made or received. This method combines the current and future cash inflows or outflows to give the accurate information about company's financial conditions. This method follows a principle that the revenue and expenses should be recorded on the same period, and this method is encouraged by international financial reporting standards and generally accepted accounting principles. So, as a result, it has become the standard accounting practice for companies rather than small businesses or individual contractors. Advantages of accrual accounting: this method gives an accurate picture of the company's current condition, but its accuracy is more expensive compared to the cash basis accounting. This method arises when there is a complex business transaction and there is a desire for accurate financial information. Selling on credit or projects that provide revenue after a long period affects the financial position at the time of transaction. So, it is better, that is, all should be reflected in the financial statements during the same report period when the transaction occurs. Example of accrual basis of accounting: when the consultant company provides service, it would enter rupees 5,000 in the account receivable side as a debit, and when it receives the payment on a particular period, then it will credit the 5000 on the service revenue account in the revenue account with rupees 5000. Next accounting method is hybrid accounting method. This accounting method is a combination approach that it combines both the cash basis accounting and accrual accounting method. This method is more flexible because the businesses can choose different methods for different aspects of their financial reporting based on the nature of the transactions and their impact on financial statements. And this method is more complex as the implementing and managing hybrid accounting method require careful planning and understanding of the implications of financial reporting. What are all should be considered while choosing an accounting method? Business size and nature. We should first know what is the size of the business, because the cash basis accounting is mostly used by the small business owners and the individual contractors, whereas the accrual accounting method is used in big companies. So business size and the nature is to be known well. Next, regulatory compliance. Consider the regulatory requirements and industry standards for financial reporting when choosing the method. Financial planning. Determine the importance of long term financial visibility and the impact of transactions on financial statements. Consultation. Seek advice from accounting professionals to make an informed decision tailored to the business's specific needs and goals.